Are you dealing with probate, or did you inherit a Littleton home or a home in the surrounding area and you're not sure what to do with it? Are you on the hook for financial obligations of that inherited property? What do you do with all the items currently in the home? Hello, I'm David Novak with RE/MAX Professionals, and these are just a few questions that people ask me when they are dealing with probate or they have recently inherited a home. Dealing with probate or inheriting a home comes with many responsibilities. If there is a mortgage attached, you will still need to make the mortgage payments on that property. If the property is free and clear or the payments to the mortgage company are not escrowed, then you are responsible for paying any property taxes on that property. Along with that, if there are any HOA fees due or past due amounts, you also will have to pay those as well. The bottom line, the death does not wash out any obligations on the home, including the monthly utilities. Now, along with the home comes contents that are left in the home that you'll have to hire a company to dispose of or sell those contents inside the house. Now, if you and any family members decide to take this task on yourself, this part can be very emotional and very difficult to do, as having to decide what items of loved ones have to be thrown away, donated, or sold, but at times family members deciding also who gets what if there wasn't a will left behind. Now, usually homes that are currently in probate or inherited need either cosmetic or major repairs to bring that home up to current market values. You and any family members will need to decide if it is worth the hassle of hiring contractors to do the work or do a sale as is and just let other people worry about those repairs. It may sound like a good idea to fix it up and sell, but trust me, if you have never done it before or do not have the right connections, you may find yourself way over your head and actually losing money on the house. From my experiences dealing with probate properties, some decide they also may want to make that home a rental property. This is always a great option for future income, but make sure you think about not only the fix-up costs, but also being a landlord and dealing with tenants if you have never done so. Also, there are management companies that can help with this if you have never been a landlord before. But before you go this route, make sure you do your homework first. This is where an experienced real estate agent in the probate process can come in and help you assess exactly what you need to do to either sell the house, fix the home up, or rent it. These circumstances can be very emotional and very difficult to deal with, and that is why I can help make the process as smooth as can be. Feel free to reach out to me anytime to ask any questions at all if you're dealing with the probate process or you have recently inherited a home. I would be more than happy to answer any questions and help you along the way through this emotional, difficult process. I'm David Novak with RE/MAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.